Because this don't look right, does it?
It doesn't look right, does it? Got some sort of SAS training or something.
No idea where we're going. Does this look like a traditional waterfall route? We've already met several people on this route who were also looking for the waterfall and gave up. This is how well signposted the Peak District is. We're gaining ground. 203rd waterfall. To say you need a certain level of fitness is an understatement. It's like mountaineering. Somehow, some way.
I can actually fully see it now.
It is in sight.